Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to use jQuery to modify an entire page. We're done playing with jQuery Playground, let's tear it down. jQuery can target the body element as well. Here's how you would make the entire body fade out. Okay, but let's do something more dramatic. Add the class animated and hinge to your body element. Okay, I'm just going to spread this out again so we can see the text. So they want us to just make the whole page disappear. Okay, body dot add class, and then we want to go animated hinge. It just hung off and flew away. Oh, that's pretty cute. Huh. Run the test and they pass. All right, yeah, that's it for the jQuery section. Oh, I didn't save my work. Run the tests, they pass. There we go. We're good to go. Nice. Nicely done. You've completed your jQuery. Well, I'll deal with that later. And so the next course work will be as introduction to Sass. Sass is kind of like CSS, but a little bit fancier, a little bit more usable. It's pretty interesting stuff. Yeah, congratulations on completing this part of the jQuery section. And the next, I don't know, we're maybe halfway through now. So, oh no, React's really big. Okay, cool. Well, look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.